Thank you for tuning into the Buyer's Guide podcast, where we talk all things property and finance. My name is Peter Mastriani, the founder of the Buyer's Guide, which has been essentially established to help as many people as possible buy their first home, right through to helping individuals build their property portfolio to help secure their financial future. In today's cast, we are going to be talking about the 7 tips that you need to know to pay off your home loan sooner. So let's get to it. The sooner you pay off your mortgage, the sooner you can be financially free. So, how can this be done? Well, I believe there's 7 essential tips that everyone should know in order to help them pay off their home loan sooner. So, what are they? Firstly, put money into your home loan on a very regular basis, at least once a week, more often if you can. Why? Simply because the interest on your home loan is calculated on a daily basis. Therefore, the more money you put in, the quicker it will reduce the interest payable. Choose a transaction and loan account that lets you make unlimited transactions. If your current repayments are on a monthly basis, change it to weekly, and you'll immediately pay an additional 4 payments each year and save thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. If you can make a daily payment, that would actually be the best. But weekly is the best thing for your home loan repayments. And like I said, the more often, the better. The second thing that you can do is have an offset facility. This means that the money sitting in your transaction account will be offset against the outstanding balance of your loan. Again, meaning less interest payable. Now, don't have an offset account and only have $50 in it because it'll actually end up costing you money. Offset accounts are generally viewed as a bells and whistles in terms of a loan product offering. So they'll generally have a higher overall package rate that's associated with it. So if you do intend to use an offset account, make sure that you have a decent sum of money sitting in it. Now, the third thing that you can do is combine that offset account with a redraw facility. That way, it'll allow you to access your additional repayments that you've made. It provides the right flexibility, and instead of having a separate savings account, just pile all your money into the loan. Why do I say that? Well, interest on your savings, even in a term deposit, will pay at the moment 2%, 2.25 or 2.5% maybe at best. Whereas the interest on your home loan is probably going to be sitting somewhere between 4 to 5%. So you would be better having that money sitting in an offset account where the interest will be reduced. Fourthly, I recommend that you review your home loan every 4 to 5 years. Are you getting a competitive market rate? Because shopping around could literally save you thousands of dollars. But do watch out for the exit fees with a loan, as it may not actually make it worthwhile jumping ship. Another thing that you can do is change your loan term from 30 years to 25 or even 20 or less. Repayments are certainly going to be higher, but you'll shave years off your loan immediately. Another thing that you can do is make lump sum repayments. So if you get a tax return, stick it straight into your home loan. If you get an inheritance, stick it into your home loan. If you have a multi-bet payoff come out, put it into your home loan. Whatever the source may be, if they're of a large amount or it's a bit of a windfall, just whack it straight onto your home loan. And do whatever you can and round up your repayments to the nearest $100. So hypothetically, if your repayments are $1,745, round it up to $1,800. Every bit counts. The Buyer's Guide run very regular workshops and webinar sessions where we discuss all things property and finance in a forum to help educate and inform you to make the right decisions when it comes to property investment. And our goal is to help as many Australians as possible to secure their home. We certainly believe this is possible to achieve when you know how. So be sure to keep an eye out for our next session and pick up a tip, two or more. One of our webinar sessions that will be coming up in more recent time will be on property research using online tools, free online tools, that is, and being able to do it in a pretty quick and comprehensive manner, so you can make an informed decision prior to even turning up to the open house. So until next time, happy hunting, good luck, and be sure to remain tuned in to our podcast where we'll continue to talk all things property and finance. Goodbye.